Hello Udemy, I'm Shakzee from Shakzee.com and welcome in lecture number 16. Today we are going to learn how can you create your media objects using Twitter Bootstrap. Make sure we are working on Twitter Bootstrap, and now we are going to cover each and everything from Twitter Bootstrap. Why? Because you need to know or you have the basic knowledge of Bootstrap 3 before starting Bootstrap 4. So that's why we are covering each and everything from the Bootstrap 3. Okay, so now how can you create your media objects? So first of all, what are media objects? First, suppose if you are creating a block systems, and below the block system you are going to embed, or you are embedding, or you want to embed the comment. So you need to add the media object for the you need to add the div. First of all, I'm saying this is media, and now you need to add another div. In this div you are saying media left, and here I'm saying I have an anchor and I have a image. Make sure we have a single image at the root of our directory, and I'm saying I have a custom class my logo, which we have defined inside our style.css file. And now I'm saying I need to create another div after this div. Now I'm saying this is media body, and now I need to specify the h4. I'm saying this is heading, and now I'm saying this is para. I'm saying content. Here, go to your index.html file, refresh the page. So now you need to add a class, a custom class. I'm saying my media. Make sure this is predefined class which we have just defined, and we are calling this my media class inside our style.css file. Now I'm saying I'm going to add border 1 pixel, solid olive. Refresh the page. So now you have created the media object or media div for your comment. Okay, so now what you need, if you want this image at the right side, you need to change the class right media right, so it's now at the right side. If you need this image at the middle of your content, you need to add the middle sign. So you can see you have now image the middle. Now so this is left. Okay, now it's at the left side. So it's totally depend upon you which class you are defining or you are going to define. Or for suppose I'm saying that this is a class my para. Okay, so now you have your paragraph 10 which has 10 pixel font size property. For suppose you can see you have media object, and now it has padding. By default it has padding right 10 pixel. You can see it's working fine. So if you are going to modify this, what you need to add your predefined class inside your media left class. So where is the media left class? Media left class. Okay, your class my media left. Go to your style.css my media left. Now go to your page, refresh the page, and now add your class. For suppose this media, you can change the padding left. For suppose I'm saying 200 pixel. So now it's saying 200 pixels. If you can see, if you can defining 20, so you can change. So it's really depend upon you or your requirement. So you can easily customize each and everything from Twitter Bootstrap 3. So there are two approaches. First, you have to memorize each and everything. Then you have to memorize that where is the media object at the official websites. Okay, so bootstrap 3.x, we are working on component section. Go to your media objects. So here is your media objects. If how can you list your media or like this? So what you need to copy these sections and you can paste these sections here. For suppose, now go to your page, refresh the page, you have nothing here. I have an image, and now I'm saying I have my logo image. So now you can see you have your content here. What you need to add another media here. For suppose, copy this bad boy, paste this bad boy here. You can see you have now what media list. So if you need like this, so you need to copy these sections and you can paste this section here. So in the first section you can see we are working on divs. In the second sections you can also see we are working on UL and LI. So it's totally depend upon you which it's totally depend upon you and your requirements. So this is the role of media object. So where you can use media object. For suppose you are creating the comment sections or you want to show the profile or anything like this. So they are saying the image of your media object, maximum image allowed 64 by 64. So make sure you have a 64 by 64 image, or you can just specify width. You can customize your image, you can give it a class, and you can set the width as well. So in the next lecture we are going to cover the list group from the total bootstrap 3. I hope you are enjoying this series, and if you have any problem or if you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching.